Is frizz ruining your vibe? Does your hair wake up looking like it had a wild party without you? Well, today, we're declaring war on frizz. Yes, a full-on hair revolution. Say goodbye to dry, lifeless strands and hello to shiny, smooth, dream-worthy hair. Tip 1. The magic of rice water. Ever heard of rice water? It's been a beauty secret for centuries in Asia, and for good reason. Rice water is packed with vitamins and minerals that strengthen your hair, reduce frizz, and leave it silky smooth. How to make it? Soak some rice in water for a few hours, or overnight for extra power, strain it, and spray it on your hair before washing. Pro tip, leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing, and let the magic happen. Tip 2. Reverse washing. Condition before shampoo. Sounds wild, right? But hear me out. Conditioning first protects your hair from the harsh stripping effects of shampoo. Apply conditioner to your ends, let it sit for a few minutes, then shampoo as usual. Result? Softer, shinier, and more voluminous hair without the frizz. Tip 3. Cold water rinse. This chilly trick is a game changer. A cold water rinse at the end of your wash seals your hair cuticles, locking in moisture and giving your hair that sleek, glossy look. Yes, it's cold, but think of it as a mini spa moment for your looks. Tip 4. Aloe vera gel, the hydration hero. Aloe vera gel isn't just for sunburns, it's a hair savior. It hydrates, soothes, and adds shine to your strands. Massage fresh or store-bought aloe vera gel into your hair and scalp, let it sit for 30 minutes, and rinse. Your hair will feel like it just came back from a tropical vacation. Tip 5. Ditch cotton towels and switch to microfiber. Your regular cotton towel might be the sneaky culprit causing frizz. Switch to a microfiber towel, it's gentler on your hair, reduces friction, and cuts down drying time. Think of it as wrapping your hair in a cozy cloud. Tip 6. Detangle with care. Stop fighting with your hairbrush like it's a wrestling match. Use a wide tooth comb on damp, conditioned hair, and detangle gently. Treat your hair like the delicate gem it is. Tip 7. Hair oils are your BFF. Oils like argan, coconut, or jojoba are lifesavers for frizzy hair. Warm a few drops in your palms and massage into your scalp and ends. Wrap your head in a warm towel for 30 minutes for a deep treatment, then rinse. Your hair will feel nourished and look radiant. Tip 8. DIY hair steaming. Hydrate your hair from the inside out with a quick DIY steam session. Wet a towel with hot water, wrap it around your head, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. It opens up the hair cuticle, letting moisture soak in deeply. Bonus tip, embrace minimal heat styling. Put down the 400 degrees Fahrenheit straightener. Overusing heat tools sucks the moisture out of your hair. Instead, opt for air drying or use a heat protectant spray when styling is unavoidable. 3 DIY hair masks for smooth, silky hair. 1. Aloe vera plus coconut oil mask. This dynamic duo is perfect for deep hydration and frizz control. Aloe vera soothes your scalp while coconut oil locks in moisture. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Instructions: mix the ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply to your hair from roots to tips. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse with a mild shampoo. Result: hydrated, silky hair with a natural shine. 2. Banana plus honey mask. Bananas are packed with potassium and natural oils, while honey works as a natural humectant to retain moisture. This mask is a treat for dry, frizzy hair. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions. Mash the banana and mix in honey until smooth. Apply generously to damp hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Result: soft, frizz-free hair that smells amazing. 3. Yogurt plus olive oil mask. Yogurt is rich in proteins to strengthen hair, while olive oil deeply moisturizes for a sleek finish. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions. Whisk the ingredients together until creamy. Spread the mixture onto your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Result: smooth, shiny, and manageable hair.